Welcome to the Booking and Appointment plugin for WooCommerce. Let's quickly walk through how to get started and set up your store to start accepting bookings. If you've already completed the setup wizard, here's what's been configured for you. Booking type, booking availability, example all toggled on, date format and time format, calendar theme and first day of the week, rescheduling and cancellation rules, and activating your plugin license. Once the license is activated, the Booking and Appointment tab will appear on your WooCommerce product pages. To check, go to Products, open any product, and scroll down. You'll now see a new Booking and Appointment section. Let's set up fixed time booking options for a hairstyle product in a salon. On the Product Edit page, open the Booking and Appointment section and enable booking. Here are the booking types you can choose. Select Fixed Time and save. Next, open the Availability tab. Set advanced booking rules. For example, an 11-hour minimum up to 60 days ahead. Choose bookable weekdays, set maximum bookings, and apply special pricing, like a Friday discount with regular rates on other days. Finally, add time slots. For example, 12 to 1 p.m., maximum 2 bookings. 2 to 3 p.m., maximum 4 bookings. Save your settings. Now let's switch to the storefront and see how it looks to customers. Fridays show 2 slots, 12 to 1 p.m. with 2 bookings and 2 to 3 p.m. with 4 bookings. You can also see Friday shows a discount, Thursday the regular rate, and customers can only pick dates at least 12 hours in advance. Resources let you add options like instructors, rooms, or equipment to a booking. For example, a salon can let customers choose their stylist. Open the hairstyle product, where fixed time and availability are already set. Go to the Resources tab, enable Resources, and click Add New Resource. Name it Emma, set a base cost of $30 and save. Then, go to WooCommerce, Booking and Appointment Resources. Here, you can manage all resources. Open Emma and set available quantity to 1, since she can serve only 1 customer at a time. Here's how the resource selection for the salon will appear to the customers on the storefront. Customers will see a drop-down with available stylists. They can choose a stylist from the drop-down. Selecting Emma adds her $30 cost to the service. They then pick a booking date and time slot, and the updated total price appears. Once ready, they click Book Now to confirm. You're all set. Explore features like weekday pricing, manual approvals, reopening slots, person-based pricing, Zoom integration, and currency switchers. If you ever need help, our documentation and support team are just a click away. Thanks for choosing the Booking and Appointment plugin for WooCommerce.